Hi and welcome back to the UpContent YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be going over how to install the UpContent Google Chrome extension. To add the UpContent Google Chrome extension, you're first going to want to open a new tab in Google Chrome, and then click on Apps, and then the Web Store. Once we're in the Google Chrome Web Store, you can go ahead and type in UpContent, search for it, and we can see UpContent here. And then you can go ahead and add it to Chrome. It'll ask us if we want to add the extension. Go ahead and click Add Extension. And then we can see that Google UpContent has been added to Chrome. I already have it pinned in my toolbar up here. If I click on the puzzle piece here, I can go ahead and either pin it or unpin it from there. You can also access the Google Chrome extension from the link in the article, as well as whenever within the extension change your account name or the account that you're accessing. So I have access to all of these different accounts, the collection that we want to add the article to, as well as log out, or just click go to UpContent and it'll open up UpContent in a new tab. If you have any questions about UpContent, please give us a call at 412-447-1773 or shoot us an email at info@upcontent.com. Thanks.